Design. The Vernee Active reminded us of an old favorite, the Motorola Razr M from 2012. It has a curved front screen that rises above the protective bumper by a fraction of a millimeter, and is actually curvier at the back, giving the illusion that it's thinner than it really is. Vernee refers to it as a double 2.5D curved design. Vernee Active. The back, however, is a dead ringer for the aforementioned Motorola smartphone. It uses the same material, Kevlar, and has the same pattern as the Razr M. An aluminum alloy and TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane, frame with 6 sides, 4 corners and reinforced screws ensures that the device is not only light, but also shock resistant. Vernee Active. The fascia has a single front-facing camera with dedicated capacitive buttons, something that shaves off a few millimeters from the screen diagonal, as this is real estate that can't be used by the OS for display. On the left is the SIM, microSD tray and a smart button, while the right side hosts a volume rocker and the power button. Vernee Active. The speaker and a USB Type-C connector are located at the bottom of the phone, while on the top you'll find the headphone jack. Both input ports are located behind removable flaps. The fingerprint sensor and the rear camera sensor, with a flash LED, can be found at the back of the device. At 157 by 80 by 11.2 mm with a weight of just under 200 grams, it is a well-built smartphone with a lot of character and a premium feel. It's surprisingly streamlined for an IP68 rated device with a 5.5-inch display.